The biggest trading mindset trap, part 1. You ever heard the saying, the more things change, the more they stay the same? Well, that's the harsh truth of trading psychology. Despite all the fancy indicators and AI tools out there, the fundamental mistakes we make as traders are always the same. In today's video, I want to expose the number 1 psychology trap that most traders never escape. But before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to the community. We talk all things trading and investing to help you make smarter decisions with your money. So if that sounds interesting, hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So let's define the problem. What's the number 1 psychology mistake that traders keep making over and over again? I'll tell you, it's this. The average trader jumps into a setup too early, panics when the trade goes red, and exits way too soon when it finally turns green. Sound familiar? That's not bad strategy. That's bad psychology. Think about it. You enter a trade because you see a nice-looking chart pattern or an entry trigger you've been taught to watch out for. You set your stop loss, which in theory should limit your downside risk. But then something interesting happens. Price starts moving against you. Even though you have a stop loss in place, you panic. You feel the urge to cut your losses, and that's when you start questioning your strategy, your entry, your entire approach. Doubt creeps in, and you find yourself exiting the trade. Now, sometimes you might be right to exit, but often you're just giving in to the fear of losing. Then, on the flip side, you could also be exiting winning trades too early. Not because the trade is going bad, but because you're scared to let the profit run. You want to secure what you have and book the win. Bad psychology. The normal trader follows the crowd, chases pumps, gets wrecked by FOMO, and lets fear dictate every move. And guess what? The market loves to punish the herd. So let's shift the frame. How do top traders respond differently? It's simple yet powerful. Where others panic, they stay calm. Where others hesitate, they execute. Where most people think in terms of winning now, they think in terms of consistency over time. It's not about being smarter, it's about being different. Emotionally. Here's a quick example. Normal trader sees a breakout, enters late, price pulls back, panic sells at a loss. Psychological trader waits for confirmation, enters with a stop loss, sticks to the plan regardless of emotion, rides the trade out, takes the win. One is reacting, the other is responding. And that makes all the difference. For me, everything changed when I stopped trying to win every trade and started trying to follow every rule. That mindset shift alone saved my account. And I know some of you may be thinking, yeah, easy for you to say, but how do I actually do that? And that's exactly what we're going to cover in the next video of this series. I'll be breaking down the specific habits that helped me stay consistent. But before we go, let's take a moment to appreciate why trading psychology is so crucial. You see, we're not just trying to beat the market, we're trying to beat ourselves. Our own minds can be our greatest enemy and our worst critic, but it can also be our greatest ally, driving us to success when we learn to master our emotions. And remember, consistency over time is what truly builds wealth. Don't get caught up in the daily fluctuations. Stay focused on your strategy and let your emotions take a backseat. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest psychology challenge you face in trading? We're all in this together, and your struggles are valid. Your voice matters. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts. This is the first part of a new series on trading psychology. In each video, I'll be sharing strategies and habits that have helped me stay consistent. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.